Hey YouTube, long time no speak. How are you? I sort of got a cold at the moment, so I'm sort of bunged up. So if I sound like a man, then that's the reason why. It's really unusual for me to get a cold like in the middle of July. Well, not the middle, going on to August. But still, it's odd for me. I never get colds. There is a reason why I haven't been like making talky bloggy speaking video things, and that is because like this webcam here is being a right idiot, and like I've got 4 USB slotty things in my laptop and it only works in one. And since it only works in one, I've been using all the others, so it hasn't been working. So I find the slotty thing now, so it works. Today I made an Ollie Murs tribute video lip syncing thingy mabob. Oh, someone's calling me! What do you want? Hey. You alright?
I'm alright, you alright?
Oh, Sniffling.
Oh man!
Oh man. I am so sorry about that. My friend rung me, so... Oh, yeah, so I totally forgot what I was going to talk about. Well, my hair's red, by the way. Well, it's meant to be red. It doesn't really show red on camera, but it is actually like proper red. It's not ginger red, it's red. Okay. I feel really cramped. I know what video I should do next. I should do like a 50 things video, like with 50 things in my room. Yeah. Or like people can ask me questions and I could answer them. But I don't have enough friends and subscribers for that. So I probably won't get any questions. I say okay, well, a lot of my videos. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ow. I am an evil straightener. I am ill. I'm very ill. Sorry it's not been a very interesting video again. I made it past 10 subscribers. That's a good thing.